is a subscription service for fashion where they have clothing, shoes, and jewelry. What happens with Stitch Fix is you can get it every month. You can get it every week if you want it. You can get it every quarter if you want it. You can get it once a year. So I have mine on where I order it as I want to get it. I don't have it coming regularly every month. So in the beginning I did, but then I noticed that, you know, I always don't need things that are new. I could have an event coming up or a cruise we're going on or something like that that I wanted a few more pieces for. So what they do is Stitch Fix charges a $20 styling fee. They pick out 5 items for you. They are sent to you. You have 3 days to send them back. And if you cannot get to send them back in 3 days, you just need to email them and they will give you an extension on that. So as I said, it was a $20 styling fee. That $20 can be put towards any item that you keep in the bundle. Let's get into the bundle. So as I showed you, here's my bundle. I'll open this up and see what we got. They always do a really good job of like folding everything and putting it in the bundle for you. So I do have some colors in there. There's like some mauve burgundy look colors. There's some black. And yes, I did peek. So if you have the app and your box has been sent and dropped off, you can actually go into checkout, click on checkout, and it'll show you all your items. And that's what you'll do at the end. At the end, when you decide what you want to keep and then what you want to send back, then you can go in there and click on keep or return, and then everything will go into this envelope. This is the envelope they send you. It's prepaid. You don't have to pay for anything. You just put everything you don't like or don't want in this envelope and send it back. Do it in the time that you are allowed, which is the 3 days, or they will charge you for everything that was in the box. So if you don't think that you can have it back in time, go to their website or their app and send them an email letting them know, and they can put an extension on it. So when you first open your box, you're gonna see your bundle, which I showed you. You're also gonna get a note from your stylist, which is up in the top right-hand corner, and you're gonna get styling cards. These styling cards in the middle shows the item that you were sent, and then on the outsides show different items to pair with it to be able to style your item. So let's go ahead and get started. For those of you who do not know, I am legally blind, and so I am unable to read without machines the paperwork that was sent to me. So I go onto my iPad like I'm checking out, and then I can tell you the pricing and the item, the brand, where that all came from. So we're gonna do just a quick review, and then I'm gonna do a try on. So let's get into that. Okay, first item is from Pink Clover. It is $44, and it's the Pink Clover Sybil cow neck knit top. And this is one that I know I've pinned on my board in Pinterest. That's the other thing. So if you have a Pinterest board with items that you are interested in or that you would like, you just need to give your Pinterest board link to your stylist, and they will go on there and look to see what you're pinning so they can get a better idea of what you like. So here's my first item. It is like a mauve-y, pinky purple color, so it is striped. At the bottom, there's little stripes at the bottom, but then the arm is just like a plain color. It does have, let's see. Okay. It does have this cow neck, which is not a tight cow neck. It's just gonna lay loose. It's got the 2 little ties in front. And let me see if it has pockets. I don't think it has pockets. So that's my first item. My next item is by Kaylee. It is the Soul Mixed Material Top, and that one is $46. Here it is. So So it looks like it has like a floral on the front. It's kind of like maybe a polyester feel to the top. And then the arms are more like a cotton, and they do have some stretch in them, but they are solid color. And on the back is another solid color, but then the front is floral. So I've never had one of those mixed media tops, and that was something I also pinned on my board. Okay, the next item is Pink Clover Arabella brushed knit top, and this one is 42. It's kind of a, oh, it's really soft, really soft. It is a color block shirt, and it looks like it has, oh, it does, it's cute. It's got little buttons down the side. So this is like, I don't know if that's gray or bluish, and more like a burnt orange, and then a light gray at the top. Here's the other part of it. So it is a round neck and just straight arms. And then, like I said, it has the buttons down the bottom. It's really, really, really soft. So that one I do like. And then I received 2 pair of pants. So I was telling my stylist that I needed pants. I need pants for work, and I need jeans that fit. So I have had a lot of surgeries, a lot of injuries, and a lot of scarring. So wearing pants that are too tight or wearing pants that are snug at all cause me a lot of pain, and it sets off the nerves in my body. So I don't want to do that. So I have been looking for pants that I can wear. I did find some Democracy jeans, and I know Stitch Fix does do those. I think they're called Absolution, and they have quite a bit of spandex and other, like elastane and not just cotton. I can't do like 98% cotton. So I did find 2 pair of jeans that I can wear through Democracy, but still looking, of course, for other things, because where I work, I have to wear khakis or black pants with our work shirts. And so I really don't have anything but leggings. And what I do with leggings is I buy them bigger than I am, so they look more like pants. So I would like to just wear regular pants so that hopefully it'll come. So this, let me grab the description on this one. Okay, so these are made by Violet and Roses, and they are the Emmy Rivet pull-on pant, and this one is $58. So it's on the higher end. It does have lots of stretch in it though. And wow, can you see? So let me kind of show you. It looks like it has, these are the back pockets. Yes, the back pockets, and they are stitched, but you can open those up. So you'll have back pockets. They're just straight. It looks like they're just a straight leg. Not sure if they're an ankle pant or if they are full length, but we will try them on. I'm only 5'3", so, or 5'4", in between there. So let's see, Violet and Roses. It also has this waistband inside. Can you see that? So it's kind of like a fitting waistband, but it's very, very stretchy. So I do like that. I'm excited to try those on. I would love something for work. So the next item is a Liverpool, and it is the Elizabeth Super Skinny Jean, and that's $78. Okay, so I'll show you, it's kind of a darker wash. They are pull-on, and they also have that band in Fiber Jean. It does have 2 working pockets in the back. And the front, there's no front pockets in the front, no zipper, no button, just pull on. So we'll try these. Okay, so let me go try on my first outfit and I'll be back. Okay, so here's my first 2 pieces. The top piece is the Kaylee mixed material top, and this one was for $46. It is very comfortable. I really do like this one. It's got the floral on the front. I have a cami underneath, it still fits pretty good. And then the back is kind of like that cotton material, and it's long sleeve. I think you could probably do like a tuck with it, which I have a cami under there, but you probably do a tuck with it and it's really cute. So the next item I have on are the Liverpool jeans. They do fit, and they're my first pair of high-waisted jeans that I've tried on. They are a little snug though, still in the waist area. So I may have to see if I can go up a size and maybe they'll be a little more comfortable, but they're really cute, but they're super skinny, and sometimes I think when it's a super skinny, they end up being a little bit tight. So these are, let me show you the whole outfit. Just have my little Skechers booties on with it, just the top, the jeans. Let me show you the jeans. They do have the 2 working pockets in the back. They do fit very nice, I think. And I do like these 2 pieces. So the top is 46, the bottom is 70. Okay, so here is the third item. This is by Pink Clover. It is like a mauve, purpley pink color. It's the cow neck, $44. It's got the 2 ties off the cow neck. It is so soft and so comfortable. This is a definite Lorrie type shirt. I really do like it. So let me go ahead and show you. I will tell you, it does have a curved bottom, so it's a longer shirt. You can wear this over leggings or jeans. It doesn't matter. I still have on the Liverpool jeans that I had on earlier, but I do like this one. I think it's very comfy and I think it's cute. So let's try on the next. Okay, last 2 pieces. They may not really go together, but these are the last 2 pieces I had, so let's try them on. So the top is Pink Clover. It fits awesome. It's really pretty. It's soft. I like it. I like the details of the buttons down the side. So it's just kind of a straight hem, and it has the 3 blocking colors. I really like this one. So it is $42. The pants are violet and roses, and they fit perfect. They don't hurt for me to wear them. They are an ankle pant though, so I would have to wait to wear these until spring, but I'm really happy because I don't get to wear regular pants very often or find things that aren't, you know, just uncomfortable or kind of like cheaply made. So this is a good find for me. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. The box, everything is perfect. She did a great job doing my box this time, so I'm really happy about that. But I will link below in the description box my referral link where you can get $25 when you sign up for Stitch Fix, and then I will also get $25 kind of a kickback to me, so that helps me when I do subscription boxes and keeping my channel running. So I appreciate everything. Thank you guys. If you are returning subscribers, thank you for being here. If you are new and you are just checking out my channel, again, thank you. If you like what you see, click the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.